Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video of jQuery series. Target the same element with multiple jQuery selectors. Now we know three ways of targeting elements: by type, in the case of button, like this; by class, in the case of again button, but we using the btn class; and by id, where we use target one id. Although it is possible to add multiple classes in a single add class call, let's add them to the same element in three separate ways. Using add class, add one class at a time to the same element three different ways. Add animated class to the element with type button. Add set class to all elements with the class .btn, and add btn primary class to the button with the id target 1. Let's add those dollar. In this case, first we will select button element, and on that we will use add class function, and we will add the class animated. Okay, in the second instance we will use btn class as a selector and add class sec here, and in the third line we will again use the dollar and parenthesis, and inside that we will use id target 1 to add the class btn primary, and we can see the changes now. We have also a note: you should only be targeting one element and adding only one class at a time. Altogether, your three individual selectors will end up adding the three class shape, animated, and btn primary to target one. So let's run the tests and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.